Hey everybody, this is Ken, back with another video. I have an accessory that I've been wanting for a while that will probably pretty much complete the transformation, I would say, of my trunk. If you are tired of the cover, the cargo cover that Tesla provides in the Model Ys, it's very premium, but it's not practical to me. If I don't want it in there, and it's kind of hard to push it to the back, and it's kind of hard to fold, to be honest with you. Hansshow was nice enough to send me this Model Y Juniper rear trunk retractable cargo cover. It's for your privacy. That's all these covers are for. It's very easy to install, and I appreciate Hansshow sending this to me. And if you're interested in picking this up, you can use my discount code. I'll leave that in the description below for you if you want to pick this up, or any other accessories on Hanshow's catalog of Tesla accessories. This is the only thing that comes in there. Installation manual. These are the mounting, I guess we could say, like brackets. And these right here go like toward the back, like when you first open the actual trunk. Some adhesion wipes as well. This right here is the retractable cargo cover. Pull it up a little bit. That's how it comes out. Feels real nice. I'm gonna like this already. It feels really premium. I really like it. I thought it was gonna be a little flimsy. You can see you can probably stick something on top of this whenever it's fully retracted out and covering for the privacy of the belongings underneath it. It does have some protection along here, so it's a little shiny, and it has it right here, behind here, and below it. So here's like the side of one, how that looks. See the quality of the material. As you can see like that, it's really nice. I really like that. Other side is pretty much the same way. That is everything that you're gonna need to install this, to replace your OEM Tesla cargo cover, which is not retractable, if you didn't know. But you have your mounting kits with all of the 3M tape that I will make sure will stick. I've already cleaned the sides of where these are gonna be at, and I'll just apply this adhesion promoter and we will be done. Let's go. Let's go ahead and get the seats down, because I'm gonna need this point on each side and then this point on both sides over there. So I'm gonna let those seats down and we're gonna get this started. So this piece, as you can see right here, will go right here. And you see it's already formed for that, but you're gonna have to lift this lip up a little bit because you want it to fit right in this area, like right here, and it should fit just perfect. Adhesion promoter, they only give me two, so I'm gonna wipe this side and then the opposite side. So I have it off. I'm just pulling back this trim a little bit. You can see like that. Just like that. And I won't show you all sides because you're gonna do the same thing on each side, but I'll show you up there because it's a different mount. I don't think that thing's going anywhere. Nope, it's not going anywhere. All right, you can see how that's made right here. So you just like put this over it. It should rest comfortably. And you see it's on there. It's not coming off. So I've already done the other side, and I'm gonna just show you how both of them look now. These two parts right here, they are done. So it looks really good. They stuck on pretty well. This one gave me a little bit of trouble, but I don't think it's going anywhere at all. But I have my trim and everything back in place, which is nice. All right, I'm gonna show you these two as well. Right here, you see these two mounting points right here, and this is where the actual cover, the retractable cover, is gonna go. And they're not moving at all, so that's great. All right, let's get that baby installed. Okay, now I have all the plastic off of it, and Each side is like spring loaded. That gives you a little bit of give. So I'm gonna just put one side in. You have to just put it in the right direction. Then the other side, let it go. It's in there. The installation was very easy. Just got these little hooks, little grooves you put it in on each side. Just grab it if you want some privacy. Make sure you get it lined just like that. You can put something on this. I mean, it's not flimsy, I would say, but I like that. You could just sit something on there. Let me find something I can put on there. It's not heavy, but this little trimmer sloops it down, but it still holds it, which is cool. Way more easier than the OEM that comes with this car. I really love it. I wish Tesla would have included this type of retractable cover, which will be nice. And the springs are really nice. Like, everything works. Love this product. Back second row up, you'll see them come up, and that'll be it. If you have any questions, please let me know. This is Ken. I'll see you in the next video.